Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to add emojis to your videos in the Capcut app on your PC. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, open up Capcut on your PC. If you don't have it installed, you can download it easily from the official website of Capcut. You can go to your web browser. In your web browser, search for Capcut download. Go to the Capcut official link. And here you can see the download option. You can select download and it will be downloaded to your PC. Here I've already downloaded Capcut to my PC. So I'll just go on and open Capcut. Once you open the Capcut, now let's create a new project. Here you can see create project icon. Tap on it and here you can import your videos and images to edit. You can see the import option over here. You can click on it and you can access your files. You can select your file and import it over here. But for now, I'll just add some text. Here you can see the text option in the menu. Click on it. Click on default text. Drag it to the timeline. And here you can edit the text. You can just write anything. And in order to add emojis over here, you can go to your browser. On browser, you can search for free emojis. You can go to any website. And here you can select any emojis you like. For example, I'll select this one. You can just select the emoji and copy it. You can directly press Ctrl C and go to the Capcut and select over here. You can place the emoji wherever you want. Just paste it over here. You can paste the emojis on your PC like this. And this is how you can add emojis to your text. That's it. You've successfully added emojis to your video in your Capcut on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.